So we have been we have been participating rather in Automation Expo since the past 3 years. Uh, 3 years ago, we had just a 9 square meter booth, and today we are actually the gold sponsors with a 55 square meter booth. Now, Senquire is providing end-to-end inspection solutions based on AI-driven vision and inspection hardware and software. We provide customers with high-speed, reliable, and accurate inspection systems. Now, Automation Expo is a great platform where we have gotten exposure to a number of key customers and large manufacturing entities, and hence we've really been very happy in participating and growing in the Automation Expo. I think going forward, the Automation Expo should also, include probably more of sector-specific themes, including clusters of automotive, pharma, etc., so that specialized solutions can be offered to those kind of specific sectors.